We are really excited. We have been on the hunt for a vintage camper, and we were just coming home and we saw one on the side of the road. So we pulled over quick to take a quick look at it, and then we drove home. We called the lady. She said it would be $1,200. So I really wanted to find one for like $450, $500-ish, and then fix it up. But the more that Connor and I were talking about it, those ones that are like $400 to $500, you're gonna have to put like new tires on them. Some of them have like roof problems, or are just not like structurally that great, so you'd have to put more money into it. So we kind of figured we might as well purchase one that's more around like $1,200 or so, that would only need like cosmetic work to it. So this one looks really cute, and we're headed back over there right now. My parents are going to meet us there too, because my mom really wants to buy a camper. It's something that her and I have wanted to do for like years now, so she's excited about it too. So let's go check out the camper. Okay, so here is what she looks like. I think it's really cute, actually. Like, I like the color. I mean, obviously we would repaint it, but I still think it's very cute. Connor's just checking out the tires quick so we can look that up, because we definitely would need new tires. You can see they're all like dry rotted. Thank you. So we're gonna see how much the tires would cost, just like figure out how much we would actually need to spend to fix it. But the part that I'm most excited for is the inside of it, which is really why I wanted to get a trailer. So we can see the tail light needs to be replaced. This kind of like slopes down a little bit, and it looks a little rough, but not horrible.
Yeah. Adventure? How's the
Mama and Papa Bear?
How's the underneath?
I didn't get underneath it yet.
So
That's the main thing.
So just a warning before we go in, me and my parents have this really bad habit of saying everything is cute, even my dad. So I'm sorry in advance for the amount of times we're going to say cute and adorable.
it opens. Love. There's just these. I can move them now.
Have you decided your downside?
So here's the inside. How cute! Oh, look at the little refrigerator.
One new tire.
Oh my gosh, it's adorable.
Wow, that's cute.
It is really cute. Look at the bathroom. It's so 70s, in a little tub.
Yeah, it could be cleaned up.
It's actually like a good sized bathroom though.
It is a very good bathroom.
Wow.
I like the.
Cute.
It's really cute.
See the print?
Yeah, I like the print.
No, but this, I mean, this.
Yeah,
And the shower curtain
It's
matches.
the same as out here too.
Oh yeah.
It smells old.
I love this smell. Oh look, they have the owner's manual
It's like
too.
an old beach house, actually.
It does. That's what I was
does.
thinking. It smells like Mom's.
does
Like it
smell
reminds
you're
me.
right, Connor.
So this goes down
It does.
to a
It smells like an old
bed.
beach house.
This is great.
And then this is a bed too. I would, or no, maybe not. No. No, I don't think this one is.
That's another bunk.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Oh really?
That's a bunk. Right here,
There's a
dear.
mattress.
See this?
Oh, so there's a bed here, and this. Oh my gosh!
How cute.
Nice too.
And it unzips at least, so I could replace the fabric and then.
And you pull this out.
Keep
like
the
that,
original.
It goes in. Goes right in.
That's great. I guess the main thing though, Connor, is the underneath, right?
Yeah.
Connor,
Yeah.
good find.
Looks like
Oh, it's got a tub.
Yeah, it has a tub. We got a little mirror. And look at the floor, how cute. Look at this tile. It's really adorable.
Have a heater over there? Yeah.
What happened?
Does it have a heater over there?
I don't know.
Behind you? What is that?
Oh yeah, that's some sort of. I love the print in here of everything.
This
Like,
bathroom is great.
yeah, I wanted to give you guys an update on what's been going on with the trailer. So we came home yesterday after looking at it again, and we decided to kind of just like stop and to think about it for a second, because we would be spending $1,200, and it's definitely more than we had initially planned on spending for a camper. and we just wanted to make sure that like it makes sense right now to spend that much money. Oh my gosh, it's really sunny. I'm gonna go this way. Yeah, we just wanted to make sure that it would make sense for our lives right now to invest in this and whatnot. There was a camper that we really liked and it was only $600, but the woman never got back to us, which was really frustrating. And we reached out to her a ton of times. We actually realized that she had her phone number on there the whole time. So we called her last night and we were like, we're really interested because obviously if we could pay half the price for a camper, we would love that. But she's been like really weird and flaky. She keeps saying that like before we can come see it, she has to check the tires. So we were like, okay, can we plan a day to come see it? And she's like, no, I don't know when I'll be able to check the tires. I'm like, we don't really care about the tires. We just want to see what it looks like. So we're putting that one kind of on the back burner because it is only $600. Maybe we'll be able to get it for $400. And if we could buy a second one for $400 and then just flip it and sell it, that would be awesome just to make like some extra money. And it would just be a fun project to do too. So this morning we ended up calling the lady back about the camper we showed you guys yesterday, and we kind of made a list of everything that we need to know about it. Long story short, we offered her $1,000 for it. She said she would call us back, but she didn't think that they would accept the offer because she was, I guess, doing it for her husband or I don't know, something like that. But she called us back and she's like, you guys are really nice people, so we're gonna give it to you for $1,000. So we are proud new owners of a camper and I'm really excited. It's actually funny because it's February 21st. I started this vlog channel. I started like filming my first vlog on March 11th, which was when we closed and got the keys to our house. So it's kind of funny that almost an entire year later, we're kind of like buying a new project and starting something new. I'm really excited to kind of see like where this takes us. I don't officially have the camper yet. We just got the money for it and we are going to go meet them soon. So I feel like I can't get too excited until we actually like have the keys in our hands. Connor just staring at me from the outside of the car. It's just so warm in here, I don't want to get out. But yeah, once we officially have the keys and everything, I'll let you guys know. So we just got the phone call that she is ready for us to come and pick the camper up. I'm so excited. It's like feels very surreal. Like I feel like it's not actually our camper because it's something I've wanted to do for so long and I'm still sick, so that's why I sound like really weird. But it's like so surreal and I feel like I'm gonna have a little bit of a freak out once we get it. My parents are being so kind and letting us keep it at their house because we don't have a lot of driveway space, so we're gonna keep it there and just remodel it there. And luckily my parents are only like 2 blocks from us, so I can just walk over and work on it every day. You guys, we got Honey. Did I tell it? I don't know if I told you guys, but I named her Honey Bell because it looks like a pot of honey.
Oh.
My parents are so excited. We want to take the awning down. Let's go inside. She didn't take any of the stuff out, so it's like,
Right.
I know, but it's just like all, it's like deja vu when we bought the house and there was all this stuff left in it. Wow. Here we are. We got our little honey.
See.
So, yeah, help them.
Should I untie it?
Well, once you untie it, then it's going to be a little bit of work to get it back in there.
Can you see what color it is, or?
I think it's just white. Maybe when it's like warm out.
Yeah.
Poor Connor. Dealing with all this. Are you still happy we bought it?
It's a rolling fart.
What?
It's the rolling fart.
The rolling fart is what he keeps calling it.
We are so excited for this new adventure, and I have tons of videos coming for Honey of us remodeling her and just doing so many fun things to it. We cannot wait to go on this new journey, and thank you guys for all of you new subscribers who recently came to my channel. I love all of your positive comments and everything. You guys are absolutely the best. So we'll see you guys in a new video in a couple days. Bye!